All right, so ndewo no anyị ga-eme agbam ajụjụ ọnụ. Agbam ajụjụ ọnụ meaning asking questions. Okay, so we're going to ask questions. Okay, so I need to get this going, share the screen, share screen. All right, so when you hear your name, please answer the question, okay? You do not answer the question, you have 10 seconds to answer the question. You don't answer the question and time elapses, you will hear a bell. When you hear a bell, then you've exceeded the time, okay? When you hear a bell, you have exceeded the time. All right, so we are not going to type anything anywhere. So you have to learn to answer the question without even looking anywhere, because that's the way you do the spelling bee. The spelling bee, you don't see anything, but you stand there on the stage and answer. Some of you will do the Igbo spelling, some will do speeches, some will do numbers, some will do both, or join in any of them. And don't forget, I sent something out. I sent a list out for everybody to pick what they're doing and send their video, with the exception of the keynote speakers. The keynote speakers, they have their speeches already. But if you know that you're not one of the keynote speakers, the list that I sent out, you need to make sure that you select one. You write it and give it to your parents to translate. If they need my help, they will let me know. And you start doing it. Your first video is due May 8th. The final video to put up there, because we're going to put it on the slide that day, will due, I think, May 20th. So remember again, I said, if you do not have phone, ask your parent to print it out and help you select your topic. With the exception of the keynote speakers, they are the ones that they are not among ones to do that. Okay, so the Igbo number, Igbo spelling, anybody can do that. Everybody you have to try your best. And then we narrow it down to the finalists who will do it on stage that day, live, okay? But everybody will try their best to answer questions. All right, but you're not doing, the beginner class is not doing spelling. They're doing number contests. And then the topic that I sent out for them to do. All right, so when you hear your name, please, I'm going to unmute everybody. That way nothing will delay you from answering questions. When you hear your name, answer the question. If you exceed 10 seconds, which is Tintimiri, you will hear a bell and then you cannot answer anymore. All right, so we're going to start now. Amanze. But first of all, I'm going to unmute everybody. So try to unmute yourself, but do not make noise. I don't want any noise there. I don't want any noise because you don't want to distract others. You cannot be in this class and be doing something else. So everybody, please, let's respect one another. Zikora, Zikora, Genebo, 3.
O2.
Okay, now this is how, Zikora, you miss it though, but now, this is how you answer your question when you're asked to tell us what something is. If I say Genebo 1, so this is the format. 1 or bo, you say the answer, okay? So make sure you say the answer. If I say Genebo 5, 5 or bo, you say it. Genebo 3, 3 bo, ato. Don't just say stop. If you say that, you miss the point. All right. All right, Jaden. Jaden brags. Jaden, Genebo 2.
Two bu abụọ.
Daalụ Jaden. Awesome. Ngozi. Ngozi mmadụ. Ngozi gịnị bụ? Four.
Four bụ anọ.
Four bụ anọ. Daalụ Ngozi. Oluchi mmadụ. Oluchi gịnị bụ? Nine.
Nine bụ itoolu.
Itolo. Daalụ Oluchi. Awesome. Do you have other siblings there? Ngozi, do you have other siblings with you there?
My sister should be in the other place.
Okay, because I only saw your name and Ngozi. So they have their own device, right?
Yes.
Okay, daalụ, daalụ. Amanze, gịnị bụ? Six. Amanze, you say you didn't say anything. Now, here is another thing you need to do. Instead of you keeping quiet, all you need to say is, if you don't know it, you say, Amagemuya. Because if you don't say anything, your time will start ticking. So when I ask a question, if you don't know the answer, I say, Amagemuya. If you want the moderator to repeat it, you have seen a spelling bee. If you haven't joined in one in your school, but you have seen people doing it. So you can say, can you repeat the question? Okay, you can say, Huyariaya, or you can say, Kuoya Ozo. You can tell me to, Biko, Kuoya Ozo. If you want the moderator to repeat the question, I want you to say, Kuoya Ozo. Okay, so you have to say, Kuoya Ozo. All right, I want everybody to say that. Don't miss to say that. Kuoya Ozo. Okay. If you don't know the answer, I want you to say, Amagemiya. Amagemiya. If you want me to repeat the question, Biko, Biko means please. Biko, Kuoya Ozo. I'm going to put it on the screen here because I want you to know it. Biko, Kuoya Ozo. So you're going to say, Biko, Kuoya Ozo. Please repeat it again, okay? It means please. Repeat it again. Come on. And say, please repeat it again. And then amagmiya means I don't know it. Instead of you keeping quiet, you have to say something. Okay? You keep quiet, the time will go. But it's better you say something. That's why we're doing this drill, because I want you to know how to do it. This is not the final one. We're going to do another one, but I'm selecting. So pay attention. I'm making record of the ones who are getting it. I may not be able to get everybody today, but the final one, the semi-final, I will want everybody who would like to participate to sign up. You have to sign up that you want to compete on the final, semi-final before final. You don't put your name there, then you won't be able to compete next 2 weeks. So I want you to know that. Please always pay attention. You don't have phone, tell your parent to please give you the information. Amagimya means I don't know it. Somebody writing on the screen, please delete it. Stop that. Get your hand off the screen. Amagimya, I don't know it. Or I do not know it. I don't know it. Or you can tell me, Biko Kuoya Ozo. All right, it's on the screen. Now let me go back to asking questions again. Amarachi. Amarachi Genebo. 15. Amarachi and Chini. Amarachi on Eba. Chini, gene bụ 13. Bryant, gene bụ 17.
Okay. Irina.
Now, Brian, listen. I said, when I ask a question, I want you to repeat the number. Irina, you can say 17, bo. Then you tell us what it is. Don't just start answering the question. I want you to repeat the number to make sure that it was the number I gave to you. So you have to repeat the number. So Bryant, again, Genebo, 12.
12 bo. Irina. Abo.
Dalo, Bryant. Dalo. Chibuikem, Genebo, 19.
19 bụ Irina etegete.
Irina Itegete, Dalo, Chibuikem, Dalo. Let me see. Once I need to ask. Chukwuemeka Ọhagwụ gịnị bụ 7. Chiamaka Ọhagwụ gịnị bụ 13. Chiamaka Ọhagwụ gịnị bụ 13. Chika Ezani gịnị bụ 10. No noise, everybody, no noise. If you're in this class, you should not make noise. We are doing a quiz here. I don't want anybody talking unless if I ask you a question. No talking. Let's hear the person I ask question, please. Chika, I think it's William Ezani.
It's Kansback or Williams, sir.
Oh, okay, guys.
Okay, William, Afia there, bound. William, Afia there.
Okay, but in on a class. Okay, not you. Afia
there, bound.
Okay, good. William, Gene 21.
21. Ede obo na oto.
William. Woya ozo. Meaning say it again. Gene 21.
21 bo ede bo na oto.
Iri abụọ na otu. Now, William, mind you, even if you get the answer and you cannot pronounce the number, the point will be taken off, okay? So make sure you know how to sound your numbers. Iri abụọ na otu. Maọbụ you can say iri abụọ na ofu. Anybody can speak their dialect, but I want you to pronounce the number right or to pronounce the word, okay? You have to get it right. Dalu William. Dalu. Let me see, who am I missing here? Chisom Ezugo. Genebo 19.
Yes.
Chinua Ohaya. Chinua Genebo 121.
121 bu nari iri abo na otu.
Now, Chinua, you got it. I'm proud of you, but listen, you missed something, Chinua. You're supposed to say narina. You need to put the preposition, okay, before you say iri abụọ na otu, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, always put preposition na. Narina. Iri abụọ na otu. Dalo, Chinua. Dalo. Chinedum. Chinedum. Chinedum gene bu 1,102. 1,102. Chinedum.
1,102. Bu. Puku. Nani. Wait, what's the number again?
1,202. Now, Chinedu, you're supposed to say, Huoya also. Then I repeat it. Don't ask me in English. Okay? So now say the right word, Chinedu.
Oya Ozo.
Huoya also. Okay? 1,222.
Oh, okay. 1,222. Bu. Puku. Na. Abo. Nari. Na. Ili abo. Na.
Okay, now Chinedum, listen. Everybody listen now. I'm not talking to Chinedum alone. I asked him, I'm just trying to see if he will get it. And I know he will get it. But now remember what I said. If it's singular, if I say one house, then you can say Otuola, Mabufola. If I say two houses, then it changes the number. Okay? If I say two houses,
get it right?
Now listen, when I finish this, you will understand what I'm saying. So everybody listen, I'm not talking to Chinedum alone. If I say one spoon, it means ofu ngaji. If I say 2 spoons, it means ngaji. Abo, number comes last, noun comes first. But one always comes first before a noun. But if I say 2 and above, it's plural, then the number will come last. Don't you ever say number first if it's 2, 3, 4 and above. But if it's 1, then 1 will come before the noun. So everybody pay attention to that. If I say 1 house, you say ofu ulo. If I say 3 houses, you say ulo abo. It means it crisscross, okay? Don't answer abo ulo. Now, Chinedu, did you understand what I said now?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm gonna ask you another number. Chinedum Genebo. 3,333.
3,333. Bu. Ato Puku.
There you go. You're saying it again. No.
Wait.
What did I say again? If it's 1, the number comes first, which is Otu. But if it's 2, the number comes last. Don't say ato puku. You say puku ato.
Okay.
Now, I'm not going to ask you the same number again. No, I'm not going to ask you the same number again, Chinedum. Chinedum Genebo, 979.
979. Bu. Nali. Itegete. Wait, Koya Ozo.
Genebo, 979.
979. Bu. Nali Itegete. Na. Ili. Asa. Na Itegete.
Awesome. Dalo, Chinedum.
Naila.
In there, well, yeah. And you're gonna be one of the those to compete that day on the stage. Chinedu gwa papa ge ya kpọọ mụ na mgbede. Tell your dad to call me this evening, okay?
Okay.
We need to discuss about that. I think 3 of you are coming. All right, so let me see another person I'm going to get here. Chimde Gene Watari 7.
37. Bu. Iri. Ato. Na. Asa.
Hello, Chimde. Everybody pay attention to that because I'm setting the clock once I ask you the question. Once you see the time is over, you can't answer again. So always pay attention, okay? Chisom Ezugo, Chisom Genebo. 101.
101 bụ narị otu na
Otu.
Okay, now Chisom, you got the answer, but you don't say if it's one, okay? You say otunare. So in this case, now it's singular, it's one. So if the number comes first, don't say nariotu, it's otunare, okay? All right, Chisom.
Okay.
Dalo. Nimela. Okay, let me get somebody else here. Some of you didn't answer one. Ekene genebo. 2.
Genebo 2.
Mhm.
Okay. Say 2 bull. Mhm.
Two, Baba. Can you see that the time? Can you see that the time? Okay. Ebuka. Ebuka innocent. Ebuka genebo. 99.
Bull. Naughty.
No, you exceeded the time. You can't answer anymore. No.
What? I was waiting for my father.
Why will you wait for the father? Father is not part of this, you know that.
It's
Tell your
over.
father, he cost you the point, right? Okay. Kaima. Kaima Geneb 201.
Wait.
Now, Kaima, I'm going to give you a second chance. You said it right when your time was over. So now you need to get to the point because remember, all of you are doing it on the stage that day. So you have nobody to look for. You can write it. Just be there, be focused, and say it. If you want me to repeat it, you have to say it within the time frame, that 10 seconds. Okay, so you have to really keep focused here. If somebody is distracting you, tell the person you're busy now. Now, Kaima Genebo 87. Dara Genebo 1111.
Also.
1111. 1111.
1111. Uko otunare. Iri na otu.
Okay, puku otunari na iri na otu. Daalụ Dara. Is it Sheta? Okay, Sheta gịnị bụ 9,999.
9,999. Bo. Puku itoolu na narị itoolu na iri itoolu na itoolu.
Yeah! Yes. You got it. William Ezan, gịnị bụ 2,201. William, 2,201. I'm going to be pushing you. Let me see who will get it. 2,201.
2,201 bo buko abua na nade abua na alto.
Now, O2. Yes. Okay, William, now you need to work on your pronunciations, okay? Work on that. otu. Mob, or you can say ofu, okay? Work on that. Tell mommy, I need you to work on that. Mommy will need to work with you on that, or daddy will need to work with you on that. Or if you have siblings that can work with you, do that, okay? You need my help. You know how to reach me, William. All right, awesome. Let me get somebody else. Zizi, Guinea 55.
55 bụ iri ise na ise.
Awesome. Everybody need to be doing fast to beat the time. You almost miss it. Dalu Zizi, dalu. Zikora, Guinea 15.
15 na bụ
Guinea 15.
iri na ise.
Irina is said, Zikora always say 15 bo. I want to hear that. Ugo, Guinea Watare 3. We have another Zikora, Zikoro Koli. Who answered before Zikora? Which Zikora? Is it Okoli? Zikoro Koli, did you answer?
Don't know what to learn.
No, not yet.
Okay, Zikoro Koli, Guinea was 71. Time is going.
Mamia.
Amagem Yadaro for responding. That's good. 71 obo Iria sana O2. Okay, Iria sana O2. Ugochi. Ugochi Genewo 33.
33 bụ iri atọ na atọ.
Dalu Gochi, Dalu Chinonso Gene bụ 19.
19 bụ iri na itenaị.
Irini Tenan Ugochi, be careful there, Ugochi. I'll get on you. All right, Dalu Chinonso. Chimbuchi, save your question. I see your hand up. You can ask your question once we finish this, okay? Let's finish the drill. Then you can ask me the question. I want to make sure I get to everybody. The next 2 weeks, we'll do more next week, but next 2 weeks, we're going to do the semifinal. After semifinal, we do the final one. So we select people to do the final one. So if you want to be with these people, you better be ready next 2 weeks, okay? All right, let me get it to everybody first. So save your question, everybody. We cannot answer now. Kamsi Genebo, 59.
Today bụ iri ise na iteghete.
Irisen Itenandalo Kamsi. Kate Genebo, 7.
Say it. She said you.
Kate Genebo, 7.
7. Say it. If you don't know, Cecina, no. Say it. Talk.
Xavier Genebo, 11.
Xavier's not here.
Oh, Xavier is not there. I thought I saw his name.
No.
Okay. Think the
No.
other Xavier. Okay. Okay. Kenechukwu Genebo, 1.
Otu?
Oh, 2. Yes. You got it. Kenechukwu Dalo. All right. Let's see. Nkechi gịnị bụ 777?
777 bụ narị asaa na iri asaa na asaa.
Daalụ. Emeka gịnị bụ 3,303?
3,303 bụ puku abụọ. No, I mean puku atọ na narị.
Emeka, come on. I want to give you a chance to answer this question. Now, I will change it a little bit. Emeka gịnị bụ 3,322. 3,322. Take your time now. I want to make sure you know it.
Puku atọ
Now, Emeka, listen, follow the format. 3,322. But we want you to repeat the question to make sure you're answering the right one. Emeka gịnị bụ 5,225. 5,225.
5,000. You said 225 bụ puku ise na narị ise na iri ise.
Emeka, gịnị bụ 2,222. Let's leave it on 2 now. 2,222. Come on, you're doing well. I want to challenge you. 2,222, Emeka.
2,222 bụ puku abụọ na narị abụọ na iri abụọ na abụọ.
Daalụ, Emeka. Emeka gịnị bụ 71,000. Emeka gịnị bụ 71,000. Now, you all be careful there. Leave Emeka alone now. Emeka gịnị bụ 71,000.
Oh, can call ya ọzọ?
Gịnị bụ 71,000.
Oh, 71,000 bụ puku asaa iri.
No, you see that the time. Chinedum gịnị bụ 72,122. Chinedum 72,122.
72,122 bụ narị
Chinua gịnị bụ 74,773.
Wait, Koya also
74,773.
74,733 bụ puku iri asaa na anọ na narị na asaa na iri atọ na otu.
You got it. Chinua said 74,000. Now, this is the best way to answer this question. And Chinua is good. He got the formula. So I want everybody to understand that formula and do it right. 74,000 is puku iri. So you need to know your numbers. Remember, iri asa na no. Okay? You need to know this. Break it down. Then remember, if you break it down and put the prepositions, you're supposed to get it. If I ask you now, 75,000 or 80,000 or 91,000. If once you know your numbers, even if I say 90,000, if you don't know your numbers, you won't be. Even if I say 10, if you don't know your numbers, you won't be able to answer. So 74,000. Cuckoo is 1,000. If I say 750,000, you should be able to answer it if you paid attention when I gave you the formula how to answer it. So Chinua, you did very well. And Chinua is going to be one of the people to contest. So if you don't want Chinua to take that trophy away, you better start now. Practicing everybody. Please, you have to do that because this is how we do it. That day on the stage, we ask the audience to give us the numbers. They are going to write the secret numbers. We collect the numbers and we start asking you from what the audience provided. That way they will know how authentic it is. We don't want them to think that, hey, we gave you this number ahead of time to practice. We want them to know that you know what you're doing. So you need to really be proud of yourself if you're doing very well today. I am proud of every one of you. So let's keep going. We still have time. Reserve your question later, okay? Chinua Dalo. Now, let me get another person. I didn't get to everybody yet. Kenechuku, did I ask Kenechuku? Yes. Kenechuku, did I ask you a question? Kenechuku oneba. Kenechuku genebo 3.
Ato.
Now, Kenechuku, I want you to say trebo. Then you say the answer. Kenechuku genebo 5.
5 bu. Ise.
Okay, good. Kaima, are your siblings today? I didn't ask all of them, right? I didn't see their names here. Did I ask all your siblings?
Yes, you asked all of us, Auntie.
Okay, good. Dalo. Ikenna Ilabuchuku Genebo 7. Okay, Kaima. Genebo, come here.
I know that.
If you miss a question, if you exceed your time, you hear bell. William Genebo, sit down. Remember, I say, if you don't know something, tell me, amagem ya, or you can ask to repeat the question. Biko, ya, ozo. Zizi, Genebo, go.
Gobo. Pio.
Ugochi, Genebo, please. Gochi mother.
Please, boo, biko.
Dalu, Gochi, Dalu. Zikora, Genebo. What is your name? Nibo.
Huh? They said my name? Igbo, your name.
Ugo, Genebo, come here. Kamsi, Genebo. Welcome.
About Dibia.
Dalo, see? That's how you're supposed to do it. Don't just keep quiet. You have to say something. Chidubem Genebo 11.
11 bu. Iri na otu.
Daalụ iri na otu. Chidubem gịnị bụ? Mom or mother. Gịnị bụ mom?
Mama.
Chidubem gịnị bụ? My father.
Papa.
Daalụ. What is your brother's name again? Tobenna. Tobenna ọ nọ ebe ahụ? Chidubem.
Hey.
Okay, Tobenna. Tobenna gịnị bụ? Paul. Gịnị bụ Paul? There you go. Tobenna gịnị bụ 4? Tobenna gịnị bụ 5? Huh? Ịmaghị ya. 5 bụ 5. Okay. All right. Chidiebube Nwogu. Chidiebube gịnị bụ 17? Gịnị bụ 17? Chidiebube 17.
17 bụ iri na asaa.
Daalụ, daalụ, daalụ. Chiemezie gịnị bụ 29?
29 bụ iri abụọ na itoolu.
Daalụ Chiemezie. Chiemezie gịnị bụ 1000?
1000 bụ puku.
Chiemezie gịnị bụ 1 million?
Amaghị ya.
Chinua gịnị bụ 3 million?
3 million bụ 3 million bụ nde atọ.
Daalụ. Chinedum gịnị bụ 13 million? Chinedum 13 million.
13 million. 13 million bụ iri atọ njeri. Nde.
There you go. Nde gịnị?
Wait, I got it right?
No. Gịnị bụ 13 million? You didn't get it yet.
30 million? Oh, I thought you said 13.
No, 13 million.
Oh. 13 million bụ iri na atọ.
Come on, Chinedum. Chinua gịnị bụ 14 million?
Wait, what?
Let Chinua ask. Chinua gịnị bụ 14 million?
14 million bụ iri. Wait, no. Nde iri na ano.
There you go. Okay, Chinedum, I'm going to challenge you again. But let me challenge one person here. Emeka, gịnị bụ 2,133,000. 2,133,000. Come on, you all can do it. Somebody has to win it. 2,133,000. You're too close to your siblings there. You need to, okay, one of your siblings need to mute their own. You're too close. Guinea with 3,122,000. 3,122,000.
In the ata Biko koya ọzọ.
3,122,000.
In the ata.
Chinua Guinea with 3 million. No, Kechi, 3,110,000.
Biko kwaya ọzọ.
3,110,000.
You said
3,110,000.
3,110,000.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 110,000.
No, 3,110,000.
3,110,000.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 3 million.
Yes.
Oh, 3 million. 3,110,000, boo. In there, ata na nari puku na iri.
Puku nare.
I said
Mhm.
that.
Yeah, okay, go ahead.
I just said that.
Okay, bidoni shi gene 4,112,000.
Biko koya ozo.
4,112,000.
4,112,000. Boo. In there, ano na nari puku na iri na obo.
There you go. You got it. We have another challenge here. Chinua, Chinedum, and the rest of you that got it. Get ready. Kima and Obi. Chima Genewo 77.
$77 bull.
Obi Genewo 97.
Asa.
No, Chima, you passed the time. Okay, Chima, let me give you another chance. Chima Genewo 55. Obi Genewo 72.
72 bull. Iri asa ta. Iri asa na asa.
Okay, Obi 72. Iriasa na bo. Chima, if I say 99, can you answer that one? Chima, 99.
Iri na itegete na itegete.
No, don't say iri na itegete. 99 is supposed to be iri itegete na itegete. When you see iri na itegete, it means 19. So there's a big difference, okay? 99 and 19, they are not the same. 19 is iri na itegete, but 99 is iri itegete na itegete. Some people say itolu, mobi tenan, they are the same. Okay, now everybody listen up. I'm gonna send out, if you know you're going to contest, okay? Everybody must do that too. But I want you to volunteer yourself to send your name. I'm going to participate. I'm going to contest Igbo number. Everybody should do that. I want you to be the one to say, hey, I want to do it. If you don't put your name, I'm going to put it. So make sure you put your name down. So I'm going to send out a note today or tomorrow. Once you see it, if you don't have phone, keep asking your parent, did auntie send anything out? I want you to put your name there that you're going to participate. You have to participate. And now, if you have not picked the topic that you're going to video yourself to send, you need to start working on that now. So the first video you're going to send is May 8th, the final video that will be aired that day. It's May 20th. If I don't get it, your own will not be there. Whether you're coming to the event or not, you have to do that. Okay? So please, make sure you do that. Do we have questions now? The floor is open for questions. And you're mute, so go ahead and ask your question. Get your hand up. If you have a question, welie aka gị elu. Ọ bụrụ na ị nwere ajụjụ, welie aka gị elu. Chisom Ezugo ngwa. Chisom Josia, Chidi Ebube Nwogo ajụọ. After Chisom, Chidi Ebube.
But Chisom Ezigo, our Ajuju.
Go ahead, Chisum.
How do you pronounce 0 in Igbo?
Oro. Can you say that? Oro.
Orororo.
There you go. Oro. That's how you say it. Don't forget. And I'm glad that Chisum asked this question because you may be asked to say Genebu 0. Then you tell us what it is. That's a good question, everybody. I didn't want to ask this question because you never know if the audience are going to pick it. And during the semi-final or final, I may ask the question. All right. Chisum, what are you?
How do you pronounce infinity or uncountable?
Okay. Ago, tage, ono. Chisum, can you say that? Ago, tage, ono.
Ago, tagi, ono.
Now say it together. Ago, tage, ono.
Ago, tagi, ono.
There you go. Awesome.
Dala.
Imela. All right. Who is the other person I say after Chisum? That's Chidebube. Ngwa. Chidebube. After Chidebube. Mokoji. I didn't see your name in it. You are just coming in. You and Tochi. You guys you just came in, right? Okay, so after Chidebube, Mokoji. Okay, go ahead.
Aham Ebube. Enrem Ajuju.
Chidebube. Ngwa, go ahead.
How do you pronounce 1 million?
1 million is nde, otunde, or you can say nde, otunde, mob nde, nde.
Okay, Dara.
Imelandewo. Now, Nwokoji, after Nwokoji, Chiemezie.
Yeah, I first
No, tell us your name. Tell us your name. Man.
Ahambu Chemeze.
And what is the
Do
next
we have
name?
dancing tomorrow?
How do you say I have a question?
Huh?
How do you say I have a question?
Answer, I have a question.
No, how do you say it in Igbo?
Oh,
Enwere m ajụjụ.
I'm wearing Ajuju.
Okay, Chiemeze, ngwa, go ahead.
I'm wearing Egu Echichi.
I like that. Anyị nwere egwu echi. Yes, Chiemeze, anyị nwere egwu. Yeah, did you come last week?
Umba.
Okay, yeah, we have him. Yeah, we have dance. I spoke to your mom and your sister already, so you two should not miss it, okay?
Oh.
Anyị nwere egwu echi. Ọ ga-ebido n'elekere 4 nke mgbede kwụsị n'elekere 6. We start 4 p.m. to 6 p.m., okay?
Oh, Dalo.
Imeela ndewe. Na nwoke ojii.
Ahabu Ukuji. Imere Ajuju.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere Ajuju.
Ngwa, go ahead.
So first, I just want to clarify that I was here at the beginning of the class.
Okay.
Yeah, and
No
my question is, what's the difference between our first and final video? You said that we had to set them first.
The first video is like when you are ready to record, you send it to me. I'm going to go over the video and tell you areas to correct if there is any mistake. If there are some words you're not pronouncing well. But before you record the first one, make sure you practice your Igbo part. So the first thing you need to do when you select the topic, you write what you want to say. For example, if you selected to talk about your typical weekend, you're going to write it in English and work with your parents to help you translate it. Okay, and it to Igbo. Then you start learning it, okay? Working with them, learning it. If you need my help, let me know. Then once you see that you're ready to say it, you're not gonna read it from a book. You have to be able to learn to say it on just off head, okay? Once you are ready, you record it and send to me. Then I will go over and see if you're making mistake or maybe you're not pronouncing some words right. Then I'll get back to you and say, you know what? Keep practicing. And let's see, before 20th, you should be able to get better when you keep practicing. And then the final video will be the one we're going to be showing that day live, because we're going to live stream it. And we're going to have a slide. Everybody's video, different ones, is going to be airing, so that the people from out of state, they will have the opportunity to for us to showcase their work. That's what it is.
Got it. Dalu.
Email, is it Angel?
Yes.
Angel. Okay, now make sure you and your siblings don't miss practice tomorrow. I need you to call me after this class, Angel.
All right.
Okay?
Okay.
Angel, can you call me after this class?
All right.
All right. Don't forget to call me. All right. Chinu, Amarachi. After Amarachi or Chini, Chinua, you ask your question. Now, Amarachi, go on. Amarachi, your hand is up. Do you have a question? All right, Chinua, go ahead. I'm not hearing from Amarachi.
Ahabu Chinua Ohaya.
There you go, Chino.
Ajuju.
Awesome. Go ahead.
How do we say the highest number in Igbo?
How do we say what?
How do we say the highest number in Igbo?
Highest.
The highest.
The highest. Nke kachano. Can you say nke kachano?
Nke kachano.
Yes, the highest is nke kachano, is like the higher one. Whether you're saying the higher or the higher in number, or the highest person or the best, it's nke kachano. You got it, Chinua?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're gonna be there. I know you guys are coming from Massachusetts. Chinua, tell your daddy to call me, okay?
Okay, this evening?
Yeah, this evening.
Okay.
Dalo. Email.
Email.
Any other person with a question? Do we have another person with a question? All right, since we don't have another person, Angel, call me right away after class. Okay, ngwa ka emesịa na onye ọbụla.
Ya, Messi.